everybody. Guess what? I'm making juice. See all this concentrate?
Stop recording video. Button.
And once you put concentrate on, you pour water. That's 1 cup. Now you need 2 more cups. Sometimes I just use sink water. But most of the time, I use cold water because it makes better juice. Better juice is better juice, yeah. Oh, yeah. And now, I need 1 more cup of cold water. I love juice oh so much. And I think this is fruit punch because that's the only kind we ever get around here. Yeah. Fruit juice is so good. I just love it.
Messages. Rihanna Grant, I've got some good news for everybody. Hi, Colin. I got a score of 91 for my first game, and then I got a score of 104 for my second.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyway. Yep, that's 3 cups. Hooray. And I need to find something to stir it with. I don't know how long you stir it with. Just until it's not water, it's juice. It turns into juice. Get it off! Get it off! Wooden spoon's best. But if you don't have a wooden spoon, people, to stir your juice, when you make it out of concentrate, spatula will do. You'll hear it sloshing around in the pitcher even more than you usually do, but right now I'm stirring it. Don't you love the look of juice? I'm just saying, I'm just overly happy today. Except for when I was on my walk when some kid said, "Oh, I'm going to dump you in a garbage can," and all that. And some kid said that, and other than that, I'm perfectly happy. I'm home alone today. I already went to my friend Rachel's house, and we're back, and they went because they wanted to stay up late. So I'm home alone. Woo! I'm not at all afraid to be home alone. At all. Dun 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 dun. Listen to it sloshing. See if this is good. I taste it. Might need to be stirred a little bit more. Sometimes I'll see if this stuff's juice yet. Yep, it tastes like juice. Good. So now I can take a cup, and have a drink of juice. Yeah, I love juice. I love juice. I love juice. I don't know. I'm just really hyper. Whoa, shoot. I'm just really super hyper. First, I gotta put the lid on the pitcher. First, I gotta put the lid on the pitcher. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? Oh well. I can do that another time. Because right now, I cannot find the lid. Oh, here's a wooden spoon. If you want to know the truth, I think a wooden spoon is easier to use than a spatula. But when you don't have any wooden spoons available, a spatula will do in a pinch. Either that or a regular metal spoon. But those are kind of hard to reach into the pitcher. That's for sure. Yeah. It is very, 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 very hard. Yeah, and it makes it a little bit harder to pour because then I spill. But I can do this easily. Watch. Whoa, shit. Whoa. Over the top. This juice is good.
Stop recording video. Button.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm looking. I haven't gotten any comments lately. I noticed that I got 18 subscribers when I checked my channel the last time. Yeah, and I'd like to get my starting goal is 20 subscribers. I'd like to get to that right off the bat. Yeah, so press the little red button. You know, the subscribe button. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Stop recording video.
See you later.